Hi guys, welcome back to Katelyn's Cooking. Today we're going to be making grilled shrimp. So when you think of grilled shrimp, what you think is like maybe plain shrimp with just salt and pepper and it's grilled. But that's not how I like to make it. I like to make it with turmeric, chili pepper, salt, and pepper. So let's get on right with the video to see the ingredients. Okay, so for the ingredients, what I have here is shrimp, lemon juice, 10 ml, make sure you have 10 ml, some chili powder, turmeric, salt, and pepper. Okay, so what I do first is I'm going to take my chili powder and add about this much, I'm going to add about this much and a little less because you don't want it. Okay, I'm going to add a little, about this much. And then I'm going to add my turmeric. I'm going to use the same spoon. Don't add too much. Okay, I'm going to add about this much. I'm going to add some salt. I'm going to just sprinkle it, not too much. And last but not least, or not really last, but I'm going to add some pepper. And now, I'm going to get my 10 ml of lemon juice. I'm going to pour it around. So lemon juice, like, it makes everything wet, and then you can kind of easily mix it around with your hands. So I'm just going to do that. Make sure you mix it in really well so it spreads around each shrimp. If you want. Okay, so now that my oil is ready, so actually I put like a small pan, like kind of a board, and I put some oil on it already, and then I'm gonna put my shrimp on. If you want, before you do this, you may add more of like anything you want, maybe like pepper maybe, or chili powder for your taste, if you want. It might take like a few minutes to get done. So you want it to be a little spaced out. That's what I like. I would do it a little spaced out. I would like put it really close by. I'm just doing it in a row, like an array. But you don't have to. This is just the way I'm doing it. I just want to do it like that. So I'm going to fit as much as I can fit on one time. So feel like there's like a few spaces in places. But I'm not sure if I can fit them. There we go. Okay, can fit one. Another one. There might be a little bit too much spaces, I guess. You need to be really careful because it's going to be super duper hot. Like, really hot. I mean, like, if you can see, it's like really like sizzling. It looks like it's smoking, but it's not. Trust me. Okay. And I'm not sure if I have any more space. Maybe I have one in the corner. Some of them are really saving. I feel like this one. I feel like I have the last one. Wait, hold on. I'm gonna kind of move it. There you go. Okay, so if you can see, now the shrimp is kind of turning a little pink, right? Like on the tails and stuff, right? So if it's turning pink, that's good. It means that you can flip them over to the next side. So I'm just gonna flip them over. Like that. Move on. It's a little hard sometimes, but not really. Alright, so I put it sideways like this so it could cook. And if you want, so here's a trick to know if it's cooked or not. So if it's kind of curling up, like you can see, most of them are curled up, that means they're cooking well. So, looks like they're cooked. Now, I'm going to get them up. Okay, so now that's done. It's taste test time. So what I like to do is pull this tail off. Oh, it's so good. Oh my gosh. All that stuff kind of goes together and then makes this one beautiful flavor. That's really good. Bye!